Hey guys, it's Jerry Metalman Battaglia, and I'm out here in Long Island, New York with my friend Jim. Jim has been in the RV business for 44 years. He has some awesome rare RVs that he's been collecting over the years. He loves watching, the YouTube channel, and he said, "Hey Jerry, why don't you come down to my yard? And I want to share with you some amazing, classic RVs I have, and not." No better than to explain all these beautiful classic RVs is Jim himself. So, Jim, what we're gonna do is we'll take a tour around your yard and look at one RV at a time. We'll go through it, and then guys, just check out this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like and share these videos. Please leave any comments down below, and myself and Jim could correspond back and give you some awesome information. You ready to go?
I am. Okay, this is a 96 Cadillac motorhome. When I first got it, I thought it was maybe a home built, and the more I looked at it, I realized it was too, professional. And they did make, it was called a Pinkton Playhouse, and they made just under 100 of them, I think 98, and made out in California. And I got that information from a wonderful RV museum that's out in Elkhart, Indiana. If you're ever driving out Route 80 and you're interested in old RVs, they've must have 100 of them inside a nice building museum. Everything from Mae West, which she had one, to an old Model T that supposedly Thomas Edison used. So it's a pretty interesting place, but they're the ones that looked it up and told me, well, no, that is a Pinkton Playhouse. So it's only about 20 feet long total. And one thing that it has that's very unusual, I can't open it up completely, but this here, I'm going to try to open it up a little bit. Hopefully it won't fall apart. This comes up, and then the bed comes down, and they called it, yeah, great, it stayed up. It's supposed to be level, of course, but I ain't going to go any further with this. But it's a really unique thing, kind of like a pop-up. But what happens here, there was two triangles that have to be redone, and they fold out, so it's a hard-sided pop-up, so to speak, a wing like a pop-up, but it's hard-sided, and it opens up instantly, as you can see. Pretty unique. I don't know why they never made it. I'm sure the patent has long run out, being in 56. But anyway, that's it. The inside, there's not too much to see. We basically have just a lot of the parts and whatnot. I mean, it needs a lot of work, but you can see the overhead and whatnot. I tell you, I haven't looked in here in a while. It looks worse than it did last time.
This is a 1956.
56, yeah.
There's the seats to it. Now, is there a bathroom here at all?
Yeah, it does have the bathroom. That's behind that door. That's behind the driver's seat.
Okay.
Got a regular flush toilet, a shower. It's what they call a wet bath, so it's very compact, and the toilet does get wet when you shower. You just stand next to the commode and take a shower.
Let me go in here, guys, and check this out.
Yeah, if you open that door right there, Jerry, then you can see the bathroom.
Here's the two sides to the backing.
Yeah, we have to redo them though.
Yeah. Magic Chef. This thing is so cool. Every time I passed here when I was younger, I'm like, this thing is amazing. I love this.
There's the toilet down in the bottom there.
Original picture, yeah.
Could be, I don't know.
So cool. So here's the dashboard of it, and there's a bunk up here, and there's another seat to it. But the dash is beautiful. 1956 on the dashboard, original radio. I think that's so cool. This is 1956. And there's your driver's side door and your passenger side door, and the steering wheel is amazing, and the color of it's white with red and black interior is awesome. So all your RV people, this is what it was like to RV back in, I guess, 1956. So it's a Series 62 Cadillac, I guess, nose and body. Check this out. There's the motor. We looked it up. It's a 365 V8 producing 285 horsepower. The Cadillac power back then. 4-barrel carb, and just so cool. The vintage patina on it too. Bumper's beautiful. And you said when you bought it, it was driving, right? You went
Yeah, it was. But that was honestly 20 years ago, Terry. It was out at a cruise night out in Hampton Bays. A fellow drove it in and put a for sale sign on
it. Original hubcaps. This thing is so cool.
Okay. You done?
Yeah. So guys, this 1956 Cadillac camper, which is so cool. I'm just gonna give you guys another look at it. Little side mirror hanging there, but it's just so cool. Bunk in the back. It sleeps. Gets 4 tightly. I'll help you with that, Jim. Alright guys, it's me, Jerry Mailman Battaglia again. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button on the right hand side. Click the bell notification as well. There'll be many updated new videos coming up. And I just want to thank my friend Jim here. He explained this awesome vintage classic Cadillac. Very rare, one of maybe 100, you said?
A little under 100. I think they made like 97 supposedly.
So this is awesome, guys. So thank you so much, and check out our next video. Have a great day.